This is a bed of English ivy in front of Kilgore Hall on main campus. This ivy has a bacterial leaf spot that's caused by the pathogen Xanthomonas. The symptoms of this disease are pretty easy to note. As you can see, there is a necrotic lesion that's surrounded by a chlorotic halo. This spot may also have some water soaking or dark pigmentation surrounding it. If you look at the distribution of these spots within the bed, you'll notice that they tend to be clustered. The reason for this is because this bacterial pathogen is splashed via rain. So when you see one spot, chances are there will be other spots surrounding. This is another example of a pathogen on campus that will probably not warrant any sort of control.